welcome to the Grace Life DIY home decor. All right, so in this video today, I have decorated a table for two in shades of lavender. Okay, so this video is a part of a collaboration called Tablescape Tuesdays. Tablescape Tuesdays is every Tuesday at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Now, once a month, I do bring in a guest. Sometimes I bring in more, but I also added a theme. And so I did decide every month I do choose a theme just to kind of add a little bit of, I don't know, a little bit of excitement in decorating, guys. And I really like it. I think everyone is kind of like on board with this, and so we'll see where it goes. But today, like I said, is shades of lavender. So let's get started here, telling you exactly what it is that I did here in this table. So Tablescape Tuesdays is hosted by myself, the Grace Life DIY home decor. And don't worry if you don't have something or any kind of decor that'll blend in. Use anything purple that you have, guys. That's really what I'm trying to say. So let's start over here with the tablecloth. Isn't that a beautiful centerpiece? I can't wait to get to that piece. So this is a shawl that I purchased. I think this one's from the Salvation Army. Then I have these beautiful, this is a goblet, and there's the water glass right there. It's Pioneer Woman. They sell this at Walmart, but I got this at the thrift store. So I decided to go, we're gonna take this apart. So let's see. Let's just take it apart, and as we put it together, I'll let you know where I got everything. All right. So this tablecloth here was also thrifted. Isn't that beautiful? I'm loving that color. And these placemats right here are absolutely gorgeous. I am loving it. Okay. I think I thrifted these from the Goodwill. Then the Dollar Tree did have this faux wood chargers. Now, if you remember in the past, they did have them darker. Well, they came out with this lighter one. I am loving the lighter one. I think it's beautiful. I love the grain in it. Okay, so then I purchased these beautiful lavender plates. I purchased this at the Goodwill. Those are absolutely beautiful, guys. I've been looking for some plates, and I scored big when I got these. Beautiful set of plates, go perfect with those drinking glasses. And then I decided to go ahead and place this napkin like right on top. The gold ring is from Party City, and the napkins, I believe, were also thrifted from the Goodwill. Now, the utensils, I did get, I have my window open, guys, so you're gonna hear some noise. So the utensils, I got these from Home Goods. I think I'm gonna go back and get some more. So let's go to the centerpiece. So this is an absolutely beautiful DIY centerpiece, great for any occasion, guys. You can change out the flowers. That candle in the center came from the Dollar Tree. They're new. I'm gonna grab as many as I can. Now you can change what you use on the inside of this lantern to whatever you want. You can put gems. I just happened to go ahead and use some moss, but these are really pretty. And then the dangling gems, they came, let's see, BB Crafts, yes. Okay, and then these florals, I just saw them at Dollar Tree, guys, and look how beautiful they are. They are absolutely amazing. I love the color, and I love that darker trim of gold on the end, and of course the chubby birds. So everything came from the Dollar Tree, and this is a very budget-friendly centerpiece, guys, and like I said, you can use that for any occasion. Any occasion. I'll be making some more centerpieces soon. The chubby birds came from the Dollar Tree, and here is the second setting. Okay, so like I said, I'm gonna go back for some more of those utensils. Absolutely love them. So I think this table for two came out amazing. I'm loving that touch of purple, and I love the shawl. That's a darker purple, so I'm glad I named this shades of purple. So I hope that you like the tablescape, guys. I had so much fun putting it together, especially this DIY. It's a nice table for two. There's something refreshing about it as well. So I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed showing you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you. Amen.